If you are someone who gets tired really quick or is very non-energetic in the mornings and also tends to get sick more often than others, here are 3 foods I would consider putting into my lifestyle in nutrition. Number 1 would be actually animal protein. It would be meat or fish, because protein is the building block of life, and actually you need a lot of protein to support your immune system as well as your neurotransmitters like dopamine, acetylcholine, which will kickstart your day. Number 2, I would say another animal protein, it would be eggs, because eggs, besides the protein, also contain healthy fats, contain saturated fats for your hormones. It is nature's multivitamin too. It also helps detoxing, so I would say with the sulfur compounds, eggs are really a good one that should be in your diet. And number 3, I would probably choose some sort of fruit. Ideally, blueberries. They contain a lot of phenols and antioxidants that help with blood flow to the brain and support your brain, and also obviously support your immune system again and your neurotransmitters. So these 3 foods will definitely help you optimize your daily life.